This series of labeling machine are intelligent automatic labeling equipment for industrial use, which is redeveloped by adopting German Avery and American Zebra engine technology. It is suitable for labeling standard products, such as bottle, box, can, barrel, pot, etc., of square, round, flat, cone, can, and other customized and special-shaped special products. The position of labeling can be the top and bottom, side, unilateral, bilateral, can also be customized according to production requirements. For more details, please contact us.